Check out this 2010 Mazda MX, 5 Miata Grand Touring convertible with only 132,000 miles. With dealer service history, over $350 in recent service, and up-to-date Georgia state emissions, it's ready to hit the road. This vehicle is dealer certified pre-owned, backed by a 3-month or 3,000-mile warranty, and includes a 5-year maintenance plan available at a discounted price. You can also ask about upgrading to a lifetime warranty at the time of sale. Recent service includes spark plugs and a pre-delivery inspection. As always, we encourage pre-purchase inspections for your peace of mind. Please note, price reductions will void the CPO status. Don't miss out. Visit us today and drive away in this well-maintained Miata.